Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Wooler. We're often concerned about cholesterol levels being too high, particularly in adults, as a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. What we often don't hear about is what happens when cholesterol levels get too low. There's actually been research that has shown is that the lower the cholesterols become, the greater risk for cancer and psychiatric disorders. Now, we've seen a trend towards this in autistic children. Some autistic children have very low levels of cholesterol. There's actually a condition, a genetic disorder called SLOS, where these children actually lack the specific enzymes that help them produce cholesterol naturally in the body, and sometimes they'll run very, very low. Many of them have severe behavioral problems, neurological disorders, light sensitivity issues, sleeping problems, gait problems, and some of these children are actually autistic. In adults, we too can run low cholesterol, and is a major risk factor, again, for psychiatric disorders, cancer, and just an overall lack of vitality in the body. Because one of the things cholesterol is important for is it's a precursor chemical for hormones. It's a precursor chemical for the majority of sex hormones, because from cholesterol, we create something called pregnenolone. From pregnenolone, we create DHEA, as well as testosterone and estrogen. We also produce progesterone from cholesterol, or the circulating pool of cholesterol, as well as aldosterone for sodium-potassium balance, and cortisol, which is the primary adrenal hormone that's produced. So low cholesterol can be a big problem. When we start seeing levels fall below 130, down to 120, down certainly below 100, it's a greater risk and a greater chance for health consequences coming from that. So one of the things you can do is actually get a total cholesterol test from your doctor and take a look. Ideally, what we're looking for from a health optimal standpoint is between 170 to 180 in total cholesterol. And as levels fall, like I mentioned before, below 130, 120 and lower, it certainly is a problematic issue that needs to be dealt with. Thanks.